So guys, today we'll try to see how we can wrap or merge text within Excel. Now, when I'm talking about merging or wrapping text, it's more to do with aligning your data so that you have better control and you have a better visibility of the data that you are looking at. Yeah. So when I'm talking about wrapping up cell, these are part of cell alignments on the text that we are using. So when I'm talking about cell alignment, it's again, as I told you, you need to go to Home tab. So this alignment options are available on your Home tab on your ribbon within the alignment group. So this alignment group has two options, that is wrap text and merge and center text. So we'll understand both of them one by one. First, we'll check on the wrap text. Okay. So the first thing that we need to understand is whenever we are writing anything within the cell, it's not necessary everything comes within the cell. So if I try to write eyes can analyze, you can see this text is going out of range. So this is the line of control for that particular cell, and it has been pushed onto the next cell. Yes, let me have a much better example by saying this. Suppose I have this student data here, yeah, and I am just mentioning here as student information. Yeah, I could write it here, but you can see it has been pushed onto the column B as well. What I can do is I can just extend this column to make it more bigger, but the data get a bit screwed up and will not like that the serial number occupying so much space. Yes. So what I can do is I can wrap this tag. How I can do it? I can go to the Home tab. I can go to the wrap text option that is available. I will click it. You find the cell, the entire information about the heading that I'm supposed to put for this table has got wrapped within the available cell or the column limit or the column size that I have. Okay, so this is called wrapping your text to the column available. So if I try to extend this column, it will still be within the limits that has been available. And it will adjust according to the limits because I have wrapped the text to the column. Yeah. If I unwrap the text, it will come back to the normal size and it will just flow to the next cells that are available. Yeah. Again, this is a good option wherein you do not want this information to be flown or moved or shown in another cell, which does not require it. Rather, I'll keep it in one cell and just wrap it across. The easier way or the keyboard shortcut for it is, I'll show you opening my on-screen keyboard. So what you need to press is, in order to access the home ribbon, home tab on the ribbon, you need to click on Alt H. So it goes to the home ribbon. And within the home ribbon, you'll see the wrap text option is pointed out by the alphabet W. So you need to click on W. And the text is wrapped. Again, if you have to unwrap the text, again, you will do the same thing. Alt H W. And the text would be unwrapped. See this? So this is the way in which you can wrap or unwrap the text. Now, I usually, rather than wrapping or unwrapping the text, I merge the text. But before going to merge again, you can do the same wrapping of text from the formatting tool that we had. So press Ctrl 1 to open the toolbar. We have seen this in most of the videos now. Go to the alignment tab. Here you will find the wrap text option, wrap text option. You click on the wrap text and say OK. So this was the third method in which you can wrap a particular text. Again, from here itself, I can unwrap the text. So we saw how we can wrap and unwrap the text. First was through the keyboard shortcut. The first was through the ribbon on the home tab. Second, we saw it through the keyboard shortcut, which again accessed the ribbon from the home tab. Third is from the format toolbar that we formatting option, that format cells option that we opened, from where we clicked on the wrap text option. Okay, so this is how you can wrap text in Excel. Okay, to make it look beautiful. In the next video, we'll cover the merging of cells. Yeah.